The chicken 65 we're making today is not only going to be crispy, but it's going to be gooey and full of sauce.
First, we're going to add 1.5 kilos of chicken, adding 2 spoons of Kashmiri chili and regular chili, adding garam masala, then salt to taste. Now with our ginger garlic paste, we're going to add it and give it a mix so that the masala gets distributed across the chicken. Cutting 2 eggs, it will be bonded with the chicken well so that when frying the masala, it all stays together. Give it a good mix and then set it aside for half an hour. After this, we light up a stove, add a deep pan and oil to fry the chicken with. When the oil is hot, place the chicken separately so that they don't stick together. Then, when fried, add curry leaves before taking the chicken out because this will give it good flavors. And that's our nicely cooked chicken. Now, we will make the sauce on top. We will take a bowl, add 2 spoons of yogurt, tomato paste, tomato ketchup, a little bit of vinegar, and 2 spoons of corn flour. Finally, after, soy sauce, chili, give it a good mix, no lumps, sprinkle 1 spoon of sugar and a little bit of salt. And that's our sauce. Now we're going to put a pan we're going to add the oil from our chicken fry, adding green chili, garlic, and curry leaves. Fry it until it gets flavorful. Now adding the sauce. When the sauce is cooked and boiling, we're gonna then add the fried chicken. Gonna mix well so that all the chicken pieces is mixed nicely with the sauce. This is a side dish for biryani, rice, naan, or any other Indian main foods that you can have the side dish with.